Hey, what's up? I'm very disorganized today, and as you can tell, I'm in a place that I'm not usually at, but some of you might recognize my garage. Alright, so on today's menu, we have again more Earthbound. And this one is from Death Grips BB, which was very recently showcased on Vinesauce for some, I believe, these were 3D PS2 corruptions? Yeah, I think that was it. Something like that. And yeah, we're gonna have the same things as yesterday. Essentially, we're gonna look at Earthbound for the Super Nintendo, and yeah, let's get into it. So like the other one, there was a stockpile, the first version and a second version, but this one has a month in difference. So I'm just gonna go straight for the new one, as there might have been improvements, but obviously there's probably not a year worth of improvements in a month. There's a lot of stuff to cover, so let's get into it. I'm just gonna put chat in case someone comes to see us. There you go. That's great. Alright, so we're starting with Barth. Yes, provide the run. Good. I know. I'm noticing a pattern here. Are you guys coordinated or something? This stockpile also started with the letters going away. Yeah, my computer might be lagging a bit, and that's fine. I mean, this is a review. It's an old computer. Ah, the same thing, but more. Not so different. Undertale tech sound. Is my controller detected? Ah, I understand now. I have a tiny controller right now. Yeah, it's fine. Okay. Yep. You got it. That is indeed the Undertale tech sound, or something like that. Teleport to the beginning of the game. This is the end of the game. Move right slightly to avoid crashing. Move right. Alright. Let's look at it. Wait, what? Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, yeah, cool stuff. What does it look like under the hood? Ah, the remnants of a sanitized glass, or multiple ones merged together. Do tricks with the crow. ABX for different visual effects. LR to switch character. Really? Really? Okay. I hate this laptop. Oh. Ooh. Interesting stuff. Might have triggered something debug related or something like that. Awkward intro. Oh. Come on, click. So, was this one supposed to be like a merge of these? I don't know.
On va faire une infestation de marmottes. Tu dois avoir genre 15 trous sur ton terrain.
Let's see.
Tu savais? Pas une belle débouche. Avec du gravier, genre. Ça marche, hein?
On va mettre du gaz. Les marmottes, ils aimeront pas ça avoir du gaz.
Ça va être un petit coup de l'acteur après. Tu bouches ça de gaz ici, tu fais un petit coup de l'acteur après. Boum! La marmotte, elle sort en sang ici.
Alright, we're Mega Jeff. Oh. Earthbound music. Then again, we're suffering from the haven't played Earthbound syndrome right now. This walks really fast. Easy. Yeah, his animation. True phase distorter. Things are happening. Travel and ye shall hear the music of the lands. Tell me about it. Really? Really? Well, we know if it wasn't lagging this badly, it might be enjoyable. Jeff can teleport terribly. Enemies are broken, can't interact with anything. All right. touch something and it crashes. Oh, that's about right. Travel anywhere. No clip. This can be loaded. Ooh, injectable. No clip. There you go. No clip. Yeah. That's pretty cool. Is this a single unit? It is. It's in the RAM. Wait. Oh, that's interesting. You won! Are you winning, son? JK. Oh. Oh. No. Yes. Yes. Oh. Okay, yeah. All right, that's good. Poke interrupts, missing no. Poke is not supposed to be here. Oh, that's the, oh. That's supposed to be the final boss. Yeah, okay, I haven't played the game, so I'm just enjoying right now. I enjoy. Good shit. The armored frog fights Gygus. Enemy the armored frog. Oh, that's poop jokes. Okay, the floating head. Another Gygus corruption that affects the UI, but this one is different. Yeah, I cannot read this. Ooh, Ulu. Ulu? Prince Feces. Ooh. Ulu. sacred language. New language. Pool went somewhere. Try to navigate down. Oh, I understand why he's called Feces now. It's because there's a character called Pooh in the game. Okay, that's fun. And oh, it's not crashed. Ooh. Yeah, try to navigate. Easier said than done. Yeah, if only I knew what it's supposed to look like normally, right? Oh, and the blaster is not coming off. Okay. In between worlds. Oh, different. Travel anywhere if you die. Dare. You will die if you dare. Do you dare? Music. I'm under the impression that there's effects in this one that we saw previously. Sure. Sure. Okay. That's always something that is always a surprise when you see an effect that is essentially from the Cartram. What's the Cartram doing? What the Cartram doing? Oh, is it? Ah, I see. The base save state is already corrupted. I see. Well, I don't know what the effects are. The Runaway 5. Ah, the people who dance. Isn't that right? Oh wait, that was it. They're gone. Stellar performance. Ah, the characters are invisible. Yeah, they just ran away. Yes. Yes, miss. They just run away. Yeah. Because they're the runaway. Okay, yeah. Yes. Okay, yeah. This the show with a little bit of clown vomit. And Tornado Man ruins everything. Good shit. Good shit. I don't know what I'm looking at, but that's good. Yep. I stand by my words. I don't know what I'm looking at, but that's good shit. Phase Distorter side effects V1. Okay. The Phase Distorter is the machine that Ness uses to travel through time to fight Gygas. This corruption involves various incorrupt derps. Another one. Okay. Huh. Okay. Ooh, the music is all fucked up. And my character won't move. Okay. Ghosts. You know, this game is so fucked up that I wouldn't be surprised that this was in the game. What? Okay, by Venus. Okay, bye. Venus. Okay, another episode of no expectations to be subverted here. That is the sad truth of not having played this game. Oh well. No, wait. I skipped the reveal. Oh, that's the reveal. Okay. And I want to see the debug menu. That's oh, that's some good shit. What's in there? Give me a staff. What? Whoa, go back. Warp? Yes. Very fitting song. Yeah, this. Execute that. No, nothing? Okay. Cast or staff? Cast. 7. Oh well, calculating. Wait, did it have any suggestions though? Oh yeah, well the staff option was cool. Just a goofy crash. Yep. That's what it is. Mac Pizza delivers a ruler. I guess he doesn't deliver rulers usually. Interesting. Okay. What happened? Oh no. Oh no. I have reordered the stockpile. We're at fight spawner. Yep, that happens. Watch out where you click, kids. There it is. Exceptionally weird battle music. That's the baseline, right? Yeah. Yeah. That's the baseline. Cool. Scrolling hell. Earthbound. Now the B is missing from the title? Is the B missing from the title? Don't tell me the B is gonna be missing from the title. Guess I was wrong. Yes, that would be possible to make them louder, indeed. The only issue, I guess, is that it's going to be stuttering because this computer is shit. So I guess you'll have to live with louder stuttering. Okay, attack. This game is rated R for severe violence. Alright, no problem, miss. And yep, punches getting thrown. That sounds like bubbles. Blue, 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 blue. Text. Oh, yes. Very good text sound. Ness leaves his body. I'm not your buddy, pal. Yep, that is correct. The camera is not following the character anymore, and the enemies are not able to start the battle with me because I'm not there. And that's what happens when the enemies are following a point in the camera center rather than an actual entity. Interesting. Horrifying Megaton walk. Oh. Yep. That's a whole sprite sheet there. Follows with poo. Ooh, snow? Oh, I thought that was the effect. That's the problem with Earthbound. There's so much weird shit in there that I don't know what's corrupted and what's not. Sometimes. Yes, the Palace of Feces. I believe the reason he's called Feces is because the game makes you rename everyone at the beginning, right? Right? Like you didn't actually hack it into the game. Like if I remember correctly, you have to like name everyone at the beginning of the game or something like that. Ah, she's trying to follow him, but she's not. Oh well. A bad cake. So I guess this is not the corruption. Bad cape made you dream of slowly loading worlds. Yep, it's all loading incorrectly. Smooth sailing. Thank you for the context. So there's supposed to be a battle here. Well, there is not. We're going somewhere else. Completely ruined the cutscene. Okay. I don't have the control over that. Ah. Oh. I'm stuck. Jeff walked there. Yeah, he just took a walk. That's fine. Again, I cannot control the character anymore. So what was the thing happening there? We're in a swamp. We exited building. Okay, I see. Wrong walk. Infinite room. going everywhere. Yep. And it's been looping. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. The party is confused. Oh. You know, I've considered writing a following mechanic for my RPG game, but then I realized how these kind of things would get complicated fast. I'll probably do it anyway. One day. Okay. Tessie chooses land. Entirely broken cutscene. Okay, so I guess this is Tessie. They're leaving. But where will they go? I didn't know that game had like a world map where you're like small like ants. And they keep going. The lost on the world is lost. Yeah. That's okay. The song describes this corruption. I shouldn't have done that. My god, the jittering, it doesn't stop. I guess this is not the right song. I want to hear it without the corruption. En arrière?
J'ai vu Jennifer, j'ai fait en entendre.
C'est correct. Vas-y, elle passe.
Non, c'est j'ai chopé un peu de poêle sur le dessus, est-ce qu'il y avait du rouge?
C'est bon.
C'est pas trop.
Fais une coupe comme si t'étais dans l'armée.
Il y en a moins à l'arrière des trous de niveau. Il y en a moins à l'arrière qu'en avant.
Ouais, je fais le tour tout à l'heure.
Je sais pas qu'est-ce qu'il faudrait faire pour ça. Je sais pas si c'est juste du gaz, ça marcherait.
Non, c'était une farce, Joe. Je mettrai pas de gaz dans le trou de la marnotte, là. C'était une joke. Come on!
Ça a marché, c'est.
Ben, je le sais, ben c'est con.
Ouais, c'est en tabarnak, c'est pas qu'il. Ça se plante à la maison. Je sais pas qu'est-ce que ça peut faire.
Non, ça rentrera. Une marmotte rentrera pas dans la maison. Ça arrivera pas.
Ça fait des bruits de fou un gaz.
Ouais, je sais, c'est chiant. Anyway. Okay, so I thought the song was a corruption, so I was going to be like, hey, you insert the caretaker meme there, but I'm not sure anymore. And the reason I'm not sure is because I've disabled the blast there and I don't see the difference. That's... like, I don't know what just don't know what to look for. That's an issue. They're going backwards. I don't know what it is. I mean, I'm not gonna play the game until I find a corruption. I guess they were going backwards and that was it. Good shit. Good stuff. Even better? Even better if, you know. Yeah, and he fucks off. And the game shits itself. Yes. No. No. Oh, interesting. I guess the idea was that the song was describing walking backwards, maybe? I don't know. Ness's puppies leave. Okay, yes. Looks pretty broken to me. You're not lying, the cutscene is broken. Alone in the void. Sad puppy. Alone in the void. Eaten by his own mind. Sudden song change. I don't think that's supposed to happen. I'm just saying. Cool. Ness's footsteps are too loud. Are they? Yep. The simplest things make me laugh like an idiot. Ness gets even more Uber. 20,000 XP not supposed to happen. Yeah? Yeah. Yeah, my Pokemon keeps evolving. What the fuck? Oh, yeah, okay. Ness butt spins on the foot. Ness butt? Wait. Once again, Earthbound is so fucked up that I don't know what's corrupted and what's normal. For all I know, this could be perfectly normal. Like, not the rotating sprite, obviously, but I mean the song. It sounds like it could be corrupted, but maybe it's not. But it died, unless it's meant not to loop, right? Look at that mailbox. What about it? box has feet. Now you see, that's interesting. Diamond Ness. So I've seen that earlier in another corruption. Is it because it's normal part of the game? Or is it because like, because I don't know, do you turn into a diamond at one point? Is that a thing? Clearly something's wrong here, but I saw that earlier, so I'm unsure. I'm simply unsure. Confusion. Background texture changer. Wait until you run away and start the bell. A, B, X, and Y all do different things. Yeah. Okay. Get in the battle. No? Are we doing this, right? Okay. Fine. Mr. Saturn has had enough. Ah. Oh. Now we have the proof that the song is normal. And he just goes away. Okay, that's it. No. I'm starting a new game with slow text, mint flavor. I can't. Okay. Who cares about the final boss? I'm starting a new file. The end. It says, thanks for the review. Oh, my pleasure. I love doing this. Prince Feces. All right. Cool stuff. Nice. We're gonna have a little chit chat with the music and without 1,000 jittering sounds. Is a status effect. Okay. And no music. No music. It's because the tab is muted, obviously. I'm gonna put a little more. Okay, so I just want to say that it's a weird situation right now, because yesterday I reviewed an Earthbound stockpile that someone spent more than a year making. Alright, so it's kind of a weird situation to review something that has like over a year of work followed by something that maybe has less. You know, it's important to be conscious of the amount of work something went into something, how much work went into something before judging it. It's, you know, it's kind of important. It's kind of a thing. And I see that there's good stuff. There's good stuff in there. Oh yeah, you heard me. There's some good stuff in there. And the Super Nintendo isn't the most simple thing to corrupt. I mean, you can get away a lot with just manual blasting and, I mean, Nightmare Engine and sanitizing and, you know, the base stuff. You can get away with just that. and I see you've done some sanitizing, but I also see that there was a lot of baked corruptions. Like there was a bunch of corruptions that had, like, even after I disabled the blast layer, it was still there. So, and again, it's not a bad way of doing things. Like, I'm not saying, no, you don't do this, it's bad. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that in the context of reviewing the stockpile, not being able to see the corruption uncorrupted and comparing it with the actual corruption is kind of, I mean, it's fine, but also I cannot compare it if it's baked into a save state, so kind of, it's not helping me much. But there's some good stuff. The notes weren't overwhelming. Good. There were a few duplicates. There's some cleaning that could be done. Like the nightmare intro was, like there were some reused effects or some similarities. Like when you get to old games, it's easy to get similar effects because there's so little memory in there, right? You blast thousands of bytes at the same time on something that is like a meg, so you're prone to get effects to repeat. That's just gonna happen. So yeah, good stockpile, good stuff. Needs a bit more cleaning. There's some stuff that I just didn't get, either because I didn't play the game or because I didn't get the corruption itself. If it was just unclear, I probably missed it. If it's not in my face and there's no note, like I'm not venturing in these while I'm reviewing, right? If someone's playing your corruption on stream, it's possible that they will like just roam around the game and see if there's more, but for the sake of keeping this review under an hour, I'm just looking at the items individually. And yeah, there's a lot of stuff. I think you can trim some stuff from there. But otherwise, good stuff. Keep working on it. I feel like you've got something there. And yeah, have a great day, and see you next time.